Anyways, this is our clear flash. Then our tube goes up, it reduces down, and you see it goes right up there. Then it goes to this pot of boiling water. Alright, so before you saw, I was boiling some water right here. It was boiling, took about 15 minutes for 3 cups, so the heating the water is not very efficient. But I can definitely cook on this flame very well. Cooked eggs in no time. Put some butter down on a pan, which is over here. Just this little pan I got for like $2. Put some eggs down on there. Cooked it perfectly. No problems at all. And yeah. For my MIG tip, I just did an 0.30. And this is just I don't know what size, I forget. It's the barb fitting. Threaded barb fitting. And yeah. MIG tip goes right in there, a little pipe dope to stop it from leaking, and probably gonna have to get a better setup because I was using a piece of PVC with this piece of metal over the top as a shield, just to stop the pot from hitting the flame. And yeah, the bubbler system works really well for cleaning out the gas. Flashback is great. The stove system is great. Let me just turn on the cell. You see the amp meter jump like crazy when you turn it on. And the tube goes crazy. And then it gets back to normal production. There's our bubbler again. And actually this bottom part here. Alright, so the bubbler, it leaked a little bit down here at the joints, so I tried to fix it up with a little bit of PVC glue around the edges and it just didn't work. So I ended up just building a new one. It's drying right now. Cost about like $20 to build this. It's got a 2-inch female adapter, and then I put a 2-inch male adapter on here, so this part will come off and I could just screw a cap on here if I wanted a small water gas separator. So here's our flame tip. I'll just light it here. Guess you can hear it. Nice and loud. Flame right now is pretty orangish because I have a lot of water on my hose. I've running this for a while today, so that's definitely a downside. You can definitely see it's pretty big. Definitely cannot blow it out. It's also very, very hot. Sorry about that. The camera likes to die on me. So I'll light this again. You can see it's somewhat blue again. The line's kind of drying out. Alright, so I'll show you when I turn it off. Just watch this tube down here. You can see flashback. We're going to start cutting the flashback. So there's the flame. You just watch the tube. Stops the flashback like no problem. And yeah, that's about it. Works great. I might try 2 tips, 2 hammered down 0.25 MIG tips. I have a 4-tip burner configuration right here that I'm working on. But it doesn't seem to be as efficient as the 1-tip. And then somewhere down there in that mess I have a 2-tip configuration. And that's about it. Probably going to thread this, put another tip in, see how it works. Thanks for watching. Alright, so here's my two flame configuration. Just going to light it up here. It's just, again, 2 of the same things, small and hammer down MIG tips in it. See, 2 about equal sized flames. I'm going to put our guard over it. Let's go get our pot. It's still somewhat warm, so it shouldn't be too hard to get boiling. Makes quite a bit of noise when it goes on the flame. And I'll come back when it's boiling. Well, our water is just about boiling. Check temperature. thermometer from here. See, it's just about boiling. And yeah, it seems to be pretty efficient. I'm after doing an efficiency test. You know, heat. 2 different pans, different sizes, different tips, all that stuff. Just see which one's better, 1 tip or 2 tips. Yeah. That's about it. Gonna have to cook up some more eggs, get some on video, probably tomorrow, or probably Sunday, I don't know, it's just Saturday today. Yeah, thanks for watching.